What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Angel, and on this video we are going to learn how to cure a t-shirt using the flash. This is going to be a two-part series. Also, this video was requested by a subscriber, so if you want to request a video or if you have any other questions, make sure to leave it in the comment section below. You could also follow me on Instagram and direct message me in there, and we can also chat and build an awesome relationship, so make sure you go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Alright guys, enough talking here, but before we get started, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications. Alright guys, let's get into the video. Alright, so let's get into the stuff that we need for this. Pretty much a couple things. You need a temperature gun. You can get this in Amazon. Then you need a ruler, or you can use a T-square, or you can use a tape measure, whatever you have, right? And that what we're gonna be doing for that is to measure the distance. So they say around 2 inches to 3 inches is good, around there. But we're gonna start at 3 inches. The reason why, because I don't know if you catch it, but in the beginning of the intro I said that we are going to learn how to cure a t-shirt using the flash, right? I really meant that because in reality we are going to learn together. I have no clue what I'm doing, so you're gonna be able to see everything if I make mistakes, which I'm pretty sure I'm gonna make a mistake. But I decided to make this video like that because I just want you guys to get the whole process of everything. Like, you're gonna see my mess ups and try to correct things and get it right. So that's why I decided to go this route and not just go ahead and do all my testings in the beginning before shooting a video. And I just prefer to do it this way, like that you guys can learn through my mistakes and all of that stuff. All right guys, so hopefully we can nail this in one shot. Let's see. And of course you're gonna need a timer. I'm gonna be using my phone. I'm pretty sure you're gonna be using your phone or a watch or whatever you have, right? And that's pretty much it. Okay, so let's get into this video and hopefully we can nail this in one shot, which is gonna be impossible, right? And yeah, so let's get into this. Alright, so we are all set up. Now the next thing we're gonna be doing is go ahead and grab your T-square or your ruler or your tape measure, whatever you have to measure your distance from the pallet with the flash. Alright, so let's bring our flash over here. I said I'm just gonna do 3 inches, I believe. So let's see. Well, you know what? I have about 3 inches. So just gonna leave it like that. Now we're gonna start with 3 inches, and then again we're gonna do some testings. If we have to go lower for like 2 inches, we're gonna go 2 inches. But for now, we're gonna do the 3 inches. All right. So let's go ahead and print our first t-shirt. It's gonna be a left chest, my logo. It's gonna be a back print, but as in right now I don't have the design ready for that, so that's gonna be for another video. All right, so let's go ahead and print this left chest. All right, so we are printing on white t-shirts today. We're gonna go ahead and get our flash, bring it to our t-shirt over here, heat it up for a couple seconds. I'm gonna do a print flash. So then the last one, I'm not gonna flash it. I'm just gonna take it out and then cure it. Okay. All right, that looks pretty good. So we're gonna go ahead and flash it real quick for 5 seconds. So let me go ahead and give you a closer look. So let's go. All right guys, so now what we're gonna be doing is go ahead and take out the shirt out of the pallet. Okay, just like that. All right guys, so now you're gonna lay it on top of the pallet, right? So in doing this is gonna allow the air underneath the print to heat up, right? And now we're gonna get ready to cure this t-shirt. All right guys, so let's go ahead and do that right here. So I'm gonna be doing 40 seconds, okay? And I'm gonna be using my temp gun, okay? So let's go ahead and do this together. And time starts now, 40 seconds. And I don't know if you can see it, but we're gonna try this out. That thing is smoking. Hopefully I'm not scorching the shirt. We're gonna find out. So, okay. Again, we are learning together, guys. All right. So that was 40 seconds. I burned the shirt. Okay. See? Burned the shirt. Like I told you guys, we're gonna learn this together and find the right temperature. I think 40 seconds was too much. Right there, I scorched the t-shirt. As you can see, it's no good. That is no good. All right, so 40 seconds is no good. We're gonna be using the same stuff right here, the same t-shirt, because we burned the shirt. So let's go ahead and find out. Let's do this again, guys. And this time we're gonna do 30 seconds. Okay. Lay on top, just like that. This time for 30 seconds, guys. So grab your timer again, 30 seconds. The ink is at 394. Man, that's too hot though. All right. Almost done. All right, so that was 30 seconds. Be honest, guys, the shirt is not burned. So 30 seconds, the shirt is not burned. Okay, it doesn't have no stains. Let's wait till this cool down. All right, you ready? 30 seconds. The 40-second, cure the ink, right? This is the 40-second, cure the ink. But as you can see, it's scorched there right here. It's stained there like with that yellow stain. Here we did 30 seconds. We did 30 seconds right here. You don't see no yellow stain burning. So let's go ahead and give it a stretch test right here, guys. Let's start right over here. Okay, wow. Guys, 30 seconds. That thing is cured with 30 seconds. Okay. I'm stretching it, like, again, guys, like you see, I'm putting a lot of tension right there. Like, okay. All right. See over here, make sure it's curing accurately, right? In every area. Okay. All right, so guys, I'm hype. I think we found it. So 30 seconds for me, this was working right now. So now, hopefully you guys found some value in this video, guys. If you are, make sure you smash the like button. All right, heat it up a couple seconds. And let's print this out. Right now is, what time is it? It's 12:31, guys, and I'm making this video for you, okay? Especially for that subscriber of mine that he really wanted to find out how to cure a shirt using the flash, okay? So this is for you, man. I don't remember the subscriber's name, but this is for him. And also this follow-up video, the second half, it's gonna be pretty much, he said that if I can make also a video of close difference, right, between the heat press and the flash, right? So to give them a closer look up. So I'm gonna do that also for my follow-up video, which is gonna be soon. All right, so we're going to go ahead and flash this. All right. Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna do the 30 seconds again. Oh, actually, no, I was gonna make the same mistake I did earlier. Alright, we're gonna take it out of the palette. Platinum, whatever you want to call it, right? Take it out. Alright. Lay it on top. Maybe that had to do something with it because, you know, doing this allows the air to circulate underneath the print to heat up. Okay? But I'm mistaken. So let's go get your watch, timer, and we're gonna do 30 seconds. And your heat gun. Right now we at 376. Remember, this is the low cure ink that I'm using. This cures at 260. Even though the ink says 400, I'm still gonna do the 30 seconds. Okay? As you can see, this thing is smoking right now, steaming like crazy. So far, I like it though. I like the feel of it, you know, to be honest. Because when you use the heat press, right, what the heat press is gonna do, it's gonna smash the ink. And sometimes the fiber, if you're printing on black t-shirt, it's gonna smash the white ink. And those fibers will come up. And then you will see those little fibers, the black, I hate it. I'm pretty sure doing it this way, you won't have that problem. Even though I love curing with the heat press, and it gives that smooth feel, which is good, I like it. This one will give you a little rough feel, you know what I mean? All right, so let's go ahead and do the stress test on this. All right, there we go. Boom. Man, guys, that's not cracking. Okay. Not cracking. Not cracking. All right. Okay, guys. Guys, we nailed it. 30 seconds. I'm using the 16 by 16. This is from screenprinting.com flash. And again, I'm using a low cure ink. This is the FN ink 260 Fahrenheit. That's how it cures, but I'm still, you know, with this one you cannot control the temperature, right? This is pumping out like crazy temperature. So all you have to do is pretty much do the 30 seconds if you have one of these right here. So that's what I'm doing. Do the 30 seconds and it works fine for me. Again, that's with my flash. For you, it could be different. So we did 30 seconds, right? Just recap. We did 30 seconds and we did the 3 inches of distance from the palette, right? And the flash. So that's what we did. Now, another key factor which I think it plays is you have to make sure, right, when you're doing your first pass, right, your first print, you're gonna flash it, right, like 5 seconds. Then you're gonna take it out of the palette, right, your platinum. You have to take the shirt out. I believe that plays a key factor of making sure your ink gets cured properly, right? Because when I did it the 3rd time, I forgot to take out the shirt. And as you can see, I don't know if you were able to see it on the video, it did crack. The ink did crack, it did not cure. But when I did it like this, again, this is another example. It cured. It's not cracking at all. This is gonna speed up so much process, guys, because using the heat press, man, it takes a while. Even though you can knock all the shirts out, right? Flash them, knock them out, and then do that curing process. I believe this way is way faster because as you can see, 30 seconds, you're good to go. And you don't have to worry about waiting for that to heat up. You already have this heat up, right? So that wraps up the video, guys. So if you found some value on this video, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and ring post notifications. All right, guys, see you in the next video.